my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Wow!
What is that green thing? Oh!
Today, I have paper princess makeup and building amazing purple bedroom from cardboard. I hope you love it. Bedroom with spacious balcony.
Wow!
Sounds great.
Wow!
Cover cardboard with purple fabric. Lace border. We have cool mattress in here. I think we need some more pretty pillows. Tiny bow. Ta-da! I want more. I will make flower pillow with polymer clay.
Oh, wow!
Put it here. We need to decorate the balcony a little more. Elegant window frame. Next, a round princess bed must be gorgeous. Sparkling gems beads. And lace border. Now we need a soft mattress with lots of cotton inside. Decorate little more like this.
Aha!
And this. Yeah, looks so beautiful. Princess needs a pretty pillow. Cute pink bow pillow, amazing. Do you know, a princess cannot be without a crown. I will make a royal and graceful crown canopy for princess bed. Decorate crown with emulsion paper. More gems. Needs some neatness.
Wow!
And a picture frame.
Wow, that's wonderful.
What do you think about this bedroom? A princess needs to make up every day. Making a dressing table is necessary. Flower knob. Royalty mirror. And a stool.
Hello, Lisa. Could you do my makeup?
Okay, Pascal, can you help me?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Comb. Dryer. Lipstick. Eyeshadow. Makeup powder and brushes. What should we do first?
Ah!
Let's make hairstyle.
Wow!
What do you think, Pascal? That's amazing! Really? So cool! Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome. Makeup things to use every day.
Wow!
Looks so beautiful, right? Finally, a table set will compel the room. Use cardboard to make chair leg. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Ta-da! I will show you how to make a miniature flower vase from clay. It's so easy to make. A little green to make leaves. Done! It's cute! A paper pet for fun. Ta-da!
Wow!
I will make beautiful pink mansion with